Alright, y'all. So it's about the 1 hour mark. Um, I don't know why I just did that like that, but it's about the 1 hour mark. I'm still chilling. I don't think they really kicked into their peak yet because it's not giving that juice. That juice is some not. Don't play with that juice. I'm trying to tell you. I don't know how many milligrams the juice is. So really, right now, we just rocking out. I'm in my jam right now. I'm waiting for these joints to kick in. We about at an hour. Still not feeling nothing from 1,000 milligrams yet. It's creeping up on me. I can feel it's coming, but it's not here yet. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I feel something. Gang. Yeah. Tell your mama watch her toes. I literally don't want to walk outside because of these bees, bro. They just going crazy. Like, why can't I just get out the house? I don't even play with bees, and they just want to stay right there. Like, what is right there? Oh my god. Alright, so I realized that I never actually finished recording the video to tell y'all how it had me feeling once I got in the house, or once after that. Well, I said 30 minutes. I never told y'all or recorded after that 30 minutes, but basically, long story short, I went to sweep and I swept like a boy. That's what happened. But it's a dangerous game. I'm playing with 3 gigabytes of storage right now. So, hey, if you like the video, make sure you comment. Any more videos you want me to see, like, subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all. Lady Gaga. What the? Lady Gaga. Y'all ever seen these before? We might got the video, y'all. Might have to. Let me see what you are. 2 packs. I got the flour. I need powdered sugar. I'm about to see if powdered sugar in here though. Alright. Yeah. They don't got no powdered sugar. Granulated sugar. But can't I put granulated sugar inside of a blender and make it powdered sugar? You know what? I think that's what we're gonna do. Look at this nigga. Nigga just ugly. Wrap snacks, noodles. They doing too much. They gotta stop touching shit. See? Alright, y'all. So I think I'm about to just grab him right here and we're gonna get back to the crib and we're gonna make the video. So let's get it. Every time. I'm cool. Alright, so I'm gonna see y'all when we start making it. I'm recording this. So if y'all hear about me dying deaf to a million bees, how the fuck am I going to get in the house? That's what I want to know. How the hell am I supposed to enter my home with all these damn little flying demons around trying to prevent me? You know what? At this point, hold on. This is what I don't get. How did these bees get here? I ain't never seen a baby bee that looked like that. These niggas came out here grown as hell, just start flying and shit. Ain't no way. This nigga just want to get in my face. I'm about to start punching shit. Give me 5 seconds, I'm gonna start punching shit. My heart is beating fast. right. Y'all about to come with me. We about to make it. As soon as I get my chance, I'm gonna break. Oh, bitch. Come over here. I'm gonna kick your ass. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm a little scared. Somebody just run for this. Oh, shit. All right. What the? Watch this. I think I'm gonna just move. I think I'm gonna just go somewhere. Oh, god damn. I'm about to move somewhere else because I can't take this. I can't get in the house. I'm about to do some parkour or some shit. All right, ready, y'all? We gonna make it. We got no choice but to make it. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, y'all see the beat, right? Y'all see him? Oh, ain't no way. I'm just trying to get in the house, bro. Why y'all serving me? Oh. I made a run for it, y'all. I made it. It's time to get to work. Let's get it.
And this is Steve Victor.
Yeah. Hey.
Today we come together to celebrate the young.
Huh? You see my eyes? He is. I'm not. I'm not getting.
Hell no, that nigga.
What's up, bro?
I know I'm not gonna be cut.
What's up, bro?
You know, actually, I can feel it. I can feel it in my system. You know, it's not hitting me.
You got a tiny ass baseball bat.
Look at you got that little ass bat, nigga.
You got an old baseball bat.
Oh shit. What's good, nigga?
That was you talking?
Yeah, nigga.
Big.
Pussy. We see that shit?
All I want you to do is just take one of those and eat it. And tell me what it tastes like. That's it.
My mama told me to pick the very best one, and you are it. Red, right, and blue. Dun, 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 dun. Alright.
Damn, right? It's cold, but
That's so good, huh?
you know what Oreo that is? Lady Gaga. You know Lady Gaga right now.
Lady Gaga?
Lady Gaga.
Damn, son. I'm fucking Lady Gaga up. I ain't gonna lie.
Lady Gaga got some shit going on, bro.